Hey guys, welcome back. This is Lokesh, and I'm sorry. I know I've been aloof for quite a long time, but now I'm back and I will try my best to give you best quality content consistently in this space. Update regarding my AI automations company. We have been reaching out to few new clients, prospects basically in new domains, in SaaS domain, and in automotive industry. Yes, because now automotive industry is on a rise and there are more chances and more aspects of that business which we can automate and make more efficient by utilizing AI automations and platforms through which they can streamline their processes also in media agencies, in PR agencies. So currently we are working with a new Indian startup in AR VR space, and we have been meeting with them. Just before this video I was on a meet with them. Cool. So this was the update. Now you have heard about AI voice calling agents in recent times and how these AI voice calling agents are changing the dynamics of the sales outreach system of a company, not only in just SMMA agency or in any agency model, even if it is a freelancing business or a media biz or a PR biz or a web design biz. These things are very crucial for a business to acquire new clients, and on monthly basis actually a business has an operating expense of up to $5,000 per month for these sales outreach by hiring a team, training them and stuff. So now these days, utilizing AI and voice calling systems can reduce these problems from $5,000 a month to just 5 cents or 9 cents per month or per call, you can say. I will explain it in a bit more detail. So this is the whole scenario. And today I'm going to showcase you a platform known as Bland AI, which is really helpful and a very affordable solution for all your sales problem regarding your cold outreach, and even have a customer inquiry system or a customer service in system through that platform. So without any further delay, let's get right into it. As you can see, this is Bland AI's homepage. You will go and just search Bland AI. I will put all the links in the description below. You can just sign up and you will land onto this homepage. This is homepage here: send phone call, conversational pathways, send bulk call, purchase credits, voice cloning, and buy a phone number. The most extensively used is conversational pathways. We will come to it in a bit. Here it is: call logs. You can actually monitor all the calls you have made, all the outbound and inbound calls, all the metadata, all the assistant calls, batch IDs, pathway, if any pathway executed, all the conversational log, if recording was done, to which phone number, to from home phone number, everything can be executed here. If you have a platform or you're developing some kind of SaaS platform, you need a phone call type of feature in that platform integrated. You can actually take code and API and integrate that into your own system during that function. Then this is conversational pathways. We will commit to it. This is events. You can actually create new events or trigger new events whenever a particular status is updated in your CRM system. Like for example, you can create an event for e-commerce businesses. Whenever a cart is checked out, an event will be triggered and automatic call will be triggered to the customer for the confirmation of the checked out cart, so that the product can be shipped to the right client or the right consumer. And if it is not, you can say, checked out or have been checked out mistakenly, then e-commerce business owners can actually save tremendous amount of money by not shipping their product to the wrong addresses and having then RO, or you can say return orders, RTOs, which actually creates a lot of tedious cash amount in excess in operating expenses in the businesses. Then this is campaign. Like if you have launched a cold campaign, you can create a AI calling campaign and look all the calls, and it will traverse through the sheets and just blow up the numbers. You can purchase credits. This is voices. You can have different voices. For example, let's play this. It will play this voice.
Hey there, this is Blandy. How are you doing today?
So you can have different voices like this. Then this is infrastructure. You can create infrastructures, and according to your own systems and your own businesses, you can contact their support team also, so that they can create a whole suite of plan for you, specifically tailored for your business requirements, and you can purchase that infrastructure, and in that you will be getting customized features for that, for the usage of this platform. Then there are add-on, you can use Twilio, you can use TCPA, then you can use local dialings for your own domestic nation. Then this is enterprise plans. In enterprise plans there are different tools and different things, so you can just contact them from here and you can have them on board. Then this is bland web. Bland web is just a normal web agent, a simple agent. You can just go on the site and you can check it out. Now let's come to conversational pathways. Conversational pathways is a effective, you can say, outreach system through which a agent decides to which path it has to go based on a certain condition. And also you can decide whether a human has to speak first or an agent has to speak first, or you can give a more personalized human touch to the calling agents, initiate taxing, invoice creation, onboarding, and reservation in restaurants, or even inquiry of a product or a bulk ordering of any product or a dental clinic appointment. There are many use cases. Even you can just list out all the numbers in a sheet and attach to this pathway, and one by one the caller will just go through the numbers and call and then integrate engage them with this conversational pathways. It costs you around 9 cents per call that is executed. The 9 cents amount will only be cut from your credit balance when the call is executed successfully and the call is triggered, the conversation is triggered based on the time allotment you have given. It can be 5 minutes, it can be 2 minutes, it can be 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and so on and so forth. So this is the actual amount. So if you have 2000 monthly call limit, then you can do the math. It actually saves you a lot of money in this sales outreach system, and it gives you a more personalized edge. So let us get in this conversational pathways playground. You can see here it is a full pathway. When I double click it, it will show you edit node, name the start node, then text. Also, this start node will always be there. You cannot change this first start node in this playground. Then on fourth, you can change and edit different cards to trigger the path. Conditional options, global node. The global node option is actually to give a set of instructions to all the cards in this playground that will be attached to their specific prompt. For example, I have given a prompt that you are a helpful assistant, and I have added a global prompt. So that global prompt will be attached to that specific prompt of a specific card. So it will create a more, you can say, integrate personalized AI structure, so that it gives more precise accuracy to all the cards and make them know that this is the information that you must keep in mind while executing your own prompt instructions. Extract calls into variable, fine tuning, and different things. Let us zoom in, and you can say ask. Here it is, ask reservation info, ask for the date, time, and number of guests. Ask each question one at a time. If I click it, you can see the prompt, ask for date, time, and number and stuff, name, then conditions. You must get date. This is the condition on which it will decide to which card it has to go. Then global node, then in advanced options, higher intelligence model, and then you can select what type of options you want to have, then fine tuning options and stuff. See, now on number of guests less than 8, it will go to this card. If number of guests are more than 8, it will go to this card. So this is known as conversational pathway. It divides into two paths here. And based on that, in transfer call function, it will transfer like a human trade-off feature, in which the live call will be transferred to your actual human number from that AI agent instantly when a specific question is triggered that can be handled by a human only. So it gives you a more personalized edge while maintaining a flow of optimization and a flow of control over the AI's structure. This in this you can have variables, and then you can just specify the webhook URL, like you can use Zapier or you can use VectorShift or make.com or any kind of Airtable CRM, and just take that webhook from them and just paste it, so it can just directly post the data from the variables taken to that webhook. And through that you can just take out a range of date. Let's suppose a person takes sets that I want to book a date for 8th of July, and then from 8th of July till plus 72 hours, there will be a range of date. It will push back from the database or from your calendar and then post again to this card so that it can give the available dates to the person on the receiving on the caller's end. So that agent can tell them that these 72 hours frame dates are available for the booking and so on and so forth. You can hope I explain it clearly. Then reservation if successful. अगर false है तो you can just find new time slot and then just loop again to this process. Otherwise reservation successful and the conversation will be logged. So this is the whole process. You can optimize it accordingly. You can create new workflows and new branches. You can actually make a little bit more integrate, more integracy you can add to it depending upon your own business structure. Let us execute a fake phone call. So this is test pathway. On this, you can add either a custom deployment URL if you have. Otherwise, you can just start and it will start executing it in a text chat manner. And it will here show you waiting for live call logs here. See, current time 7th Sunday, July 2024. And here it is on text format. If I click on hi, it will give me this and it is logged. Let us go and send call now. My phone number, let us see. These are all the different information. Just I'm putting it on default and send call now. I'm holding my phone here. Let us increase the brightness and you can see the call is here. Now, just I'm picking up the call.
Hey there, this is not Blandy for reservation line. Do you want to make a reservation?
Hey, yeah, I want to make a reservation for 8th of July at 9 p.m. Is it possible?
Can I just confirm the date with you? What is the date you're looking to make a reservation for?
For 8th July 2024, Monday.
Please give me a moment as I check our booking. Apologize, but 9 p.m. is not available. However, I do have some other options available on the 8th of July. Would you like to consider 12 1 or 2 p.m. and how many guests will be joining us?
2 p.m. will be good. And yeah, 2 p.m. works fine. And only me will be there. Okay. So as you see, the whole conversational log has been recorded here as I was talking to it. So this is how you can actually create conversational pathways using Bland AI, and I'm not affiliated to any of these platforms. It is just I have used this personally. I will link the previous tutorials of Bland AI in the description below, also on the side cards, so that you can see. You can just go through those tutorials to have more understanding of how to integrate Bland AI and use Twilio.com to make this automation complete, integrating it with this conversational pathway. I will link the video link in the description below so you can check it out. So yeah, this was the whole workflow of conversational pathways. Hope you would have understood the basic foundation and how to develop these conversational pathways for your own business. And I will create some templates or boilerplates for you all so that you can actually have a working template on which you can work and build upon. And also I will try to just incorporate them in I will just put them in my community resource tab so you can just grab them from there. Make sure to join the community. I keep posting new resources and new tips and tricks, also updates regarding AI. You can connect with me on Instagram, and if you like, you could follow me on Instagram too. So that was it for today. Hope you would have loved this, and I will try my best to keep updating with new content for you all and keep updating you all with my own progress. See ya, bye bye. Keep hustling.